Hey guys, Chief Williams Unfiltered. I just want to do a quick video to show you guys how to remove a word that the autocorrect always pops up with that you're not even trying to write. And we've all done it and we've seen words and then we hit send. And of course, you don't see it until after the person reads it. And then you're like, I don't want them to think I'm an idiot. I know how to spell that word. But please hit subscribe and the bell notifications to receive all my new videos. So I'm going to write the word, let's see. So predictive text kind of guesses what you're going to write. Unfortunately, sometimes when I'm writing for, it writes the word fur. So I'm never going to use the word fur. So I can actually go into the settings and remove that from my keyboard. So you go into General, Keyboard, go into Text Replacement. And the word that it thinks I want to write is fir, F-I-R. And then what I want to do is, let's see, hit add, phrase, F-I-R, and just automatically change it to F-O-R. Well, if I can type F-O-R, save. So now, every time it starts to write the word fur, let's do it again. What do you do for? Let's see if I even write fur, it automatically changes it back to for. So that's just a quick shortcut. I hope you guys, again, hit like, share, subscribe. Chief Williams, I'm out.